Welcome to AJ Capital Ventures. Have you recently sold a property and earned a long term capital gain? Before you worry about paying heavy taxes on that gain, here's some good news. You can actually save tax legally under Section 54 EC of Income Tax Act by investing in capital gain tax exemption bonds. Now, what are these 54 EC bonds? These are special government backed bonds, commonly known as capital gain bonds, that help you avoid paying long term capital gain tax if you reinvest the amount in these bonds within a specific time frame. Now, talking about the eligibility and time limit. To claim this exemption, the gain must arise from a long term asset like a land or a building that must be held for at least 2 years. Also, you must invest the capital gain amount in these bonds within 6 months of sale of such property. Now, who all are eligible to invest in these 54 EC bonds? Any person or entity can invest in these 54 EC bonds, that is, individuals including NRIs, companies, partnership firms, and HUFs, etc. Now, talking about the investment limit and the lock in period of such bonds, you can invest a minimum of rupees 20,000 and the maximum limit to invest in these bonds is 50 lakhs. Once you invest in these bonds, the bonds come with a lock-in period of 5 years. Now, let's look at the interest and returns offered by these bonds. These are fixed income non-cumulative bonds. That means you'll receive an interest of 5.25% every year, and at the end of 5 years you'll get back your original investment amount. The interest is taxable, but your capital gains remain exempt. For example, if you invest rupees 10 lakh in these bonds, you'll receive an interest of 52,500 every year, and at the end of 5 years you'll get back 10 lakh. Now let's look at quick steps to invest. First, calculate your long-term capital gain. Next, invest the amount up to rupees 50 lakhs within 6 months. Next, and the final step, connect with us. We provide both physical and online services. Do not worry about the city or country. We can facilitate anywhere. So, if you have sold a property and want to save tax on that long term capital gain bonds under Section 54 EC are one of the most secure and government backed options available.